Simple conversation practice sentence of daily use. Kyntien ki basuk Kumba ngi chu Kren Phareng. Te là đa pi yo chừng mình tối na kani ka video te ngau bhashiat lem sheki perla ki jong pi lane hayeng hasem ki jong pi te From where do you buy goods? Nang no pithet kiter kitar. I buy goods from bara bazar nga thet ya kiter kitar na yodo. Why do you come to bazar daily? Balay piwan chayaw man lakasngi. To buy goods ban thet kiter kitar lane kimar. I am a businessman nga day unang kayi. Please give me 10 rupees. Sngaw pa ay nga chipel tangka se. I shall return it on Monday. Ngan saban pai ya ka ha kasni nukang. I was busy. Nga la bun kam ha. Please don't delay. Sngaw ha wat slam. Are you coming at 1 o'clock? Pen one hagapor chi baje. I have no time. Ngam don por. Wait for 2 hours. Up arkanta. Which is your bag? Kano kapla jong pi. White one is mine. Kabale kade kajonga. I found it here. Nga shem yaka hangne. Thank you so much for that. Kublai shibon nakabanta kata. I am looking for a collier. Nga dankni ya udaju. Please send him here. Sngaw ba pa ya o hangne. Did he come? Ulawan. Yes, he has come. Haoy Ulawan. Did you see my watch? Piyo iya ka baje jonga. I have no money. Ngamdon pisa. Where is Lucy? Shano ka Lucy kadan. She is cooking food. Ka dang shat jing shat. Does she go to college? College ni em. Yes, she does. How old college? Her father name is Kakarteng Jong Ukpa Jongka Day Utom. I know him. Nga itu yo. Where is your father? Shano Ukpa Jongpi. He is in London. Udon ha London. What is his age? Kano kata jong o. Does he drive a car? Ijo niat kali. He drives. Ijo niat. I don't know you. Nga ngam itu ipi. Your brother is my friend. Iba jongpi idei ibarlok jonga. Please sit. Sngaw bhasyang. Do you have any brothers? Pidan men para chenrang ne em. He is too young. Ô đang rệt é. Do you work in the office? Pitre ha office. No, I am a doctor. Em, nga đây doctor. Where's child we meet? Ha e ngin ya kendo. We child meet at the station. Ngin saya kendo ha station. How far is the station from here? Cách nô cách chính ngái nang ne sha station. It takes 20 minutes by bus. Kashimpor 40 minutes da ka bus. Can I get taxi here? Nga la ban yo taxi nang ne. Taxi is not available here. La ban yo taxi nang ne. What are you looking for? Pia page ayu? I am looking for bus. Nga dang up ya ka bus. Look, bus stand is there. Page ka chaka sange bus ka day hang tay. This bus is for Jawai. Kane ka bus ka ban le cha Jawai. Do you know Robin address? Pitip ya ka chaka shong o Robin. I know his brother address. Nga tip ya ka chaka shong o men jong o. Please come in. Sngew ha rung shupo. It is my home. Ka day ka ying jong nga. Please give me this paper to him. Sngew ba pan ai ka ne ka kot ye o. Today is Sunday. Banta ka day ka sngi ublay. Sunday is a holiday. Ka sngi ublay ka day ka sngi shuti. He come in tan ulawan ha kapor kebabeng. The shop is closed. Kadukan kakang. No, you are wrong. Em pila bakla. It opens at 10 o'clock. Kapele ha kapor chipau bije. What do you want? Pikwa ayu? I want 2 tickets for Jawai. Nga kwa atli ki ticket ban len sha Jawai. From where can I get the ticket? Nang no nga la ban yo ya ka ticket. There is the ticket counter. Hangte ka don ka jaka od ticket. What is the fare to Kolkata? Katno ka bailanti sha Kolkata. The bus departs at 5 o'clock. Ka bus kami ha kapor san baje. I miss the first bus. Nga lado ya ka bus ba nangkong. This bus goes to Umroi. Kane ka bus ka late sha Umroi. The bus will depart after 2 hours. Ka bus kan mi hadin arkanta. Our bus has not come yet. Ka bus jangi kampat la shimpoi. Thank you.